So, you're on the 3D Experience platform but need a nice and easy way to view your data? Say no more, I gotcha. The platform can be a veritable mess if you don't keep it in line. My name is Anders and I've been working on the platform for some years now. In this video I will show you how to easily manage your dashboards to give you a nice clean overview of all the data you want. Okay, so first things first. We need to have an idea of what we use in our everyday work. I will start by creating a new dashboard and name it My Tidy Dashboard. I need to look at my bookmarks to find my files, so the Bookmark Editor app would be a good candidate to show in my dashboard. We could also add the 3D player for easy preview of our files. I will now stop adding things to this dashboard to keep it nice and clean. Less really is more. I finish by naming the tab My Bookmarks and fit the apps to the screen. This way I will utilize the whole area no matter what screen size I am currently using. Now for the Collaborative Tasks app. I use this app to plan my work, so it would also make sense to have this close by. I create a new tab for my dashboard and name it My Tasks. I think this app is better the bigger it is, so I will not add any more apps. And as previously, I fit the app to the screen and move on. For my last tab, I will add in two 3D Swim apps. I will name the tab Communities and use it for quick access to both my company's communities and also the official Dassault forums. To get access to these forums, I will have to change the preferences of the app. I do this here. Now, if I need a bigger view of the app, I can just double-click in the top bar of the app and it will maximize the window. Again, remember to use the Fit option. I could continue adding tabs for other apps I use all the time if needed, but for now, I think you got the general idea. And that's it. Easy as that. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you have now learned to easily manage your dashboards on the 3D Experience platform. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I dive into other topics related to 3D Experience. You can find them here. Also, if you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.